Okay, excuse my pinning board. I'm doing a little work on it, redoing it. I have a lock here, Lockwood. It's a 5-pin that I received from my friend Javid in England. Do not have a key for it. The lock is locked. I have removed the clip off the back, so I don't have so much trouble with that clip. This way it'll come right out. Let's see what type of pins Javid has in this locked. In the lock, and see what it does. Alright, we're going to try to use top of the keyway. And going to try to use this pick. Okay, we touched number 3, I believe, and it gave us a little bit of false set as we went in. Okay, number 5 gives us a little bit more of a false set. Okay, number 3 again, I believe. Maybe it was number 2. Number 1 gives us a little bit more false set. Okay, we got number 2 now. That's giving us some feedback. Okay, got number 2 set, I believe. Okay, there it is, open. Whoop, don't want to jerk the plug out. Let's see what kind of pins we have in it this morning. Okay. See, I think I need to shim this lock. Alright, let's, whoops, my follower doesn't fit this. Okay, let's try this one, see if it'll work. Nope, it's the wrong size also. Okay, part of it works anyway. See if we can get part of it out. See if it'll hold those top pins in. Alright. Let's check the bottom pins. Number 1 is standard pin. Number 2 is standard. Number 3 is standard. Number 4 is a weird looking spool type pin. Number 5 is a standard pin. Okay, let's see what's in the bottom, or I mean the top, excuse me. See if we can do this without losing everything. Okay, there's a long spool key pin as a top pin. Another spool. Okay, another looks like a spool. And that looks like a maybe a little acetype pen. Okay, we have another spool. So let's see if we can get a close-up of the pins. See if you can see them on this board that I haven't finished up. Okay, 1 and 2. This is what the top key pin looks like. If we can get it to focus, there we go. It's the top pin. The bottom pin just standard, just a regular spool and standard pin on number 2. And a spool on number 3. And I guess this is some type of acetype pin. I'm not sure what they are. Alright, camera. Camera doesn't want to focus this morning. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's on number 4. And the number 4 key pin. Another weird type bent spool, looks like. Cut out on one side. And just a standard key pin. Okay, that's what we have in Javid's lock from England. Lockwood, 5 pin. Okay, appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble. And please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.